Well, it looks like there's a fair chance of a frost tonight. This bit of a breeze, it's late in the afternoon now, so I'm expecting this bit of a breeze to drop right down, and we're supposed to go down to around 3 degrees, which is enough to give us a frost here. And if there's a frost around, got him, did you hear that? We live in just up from an intersection down there. Anyhow, yes, so frost and potatoes don't go together. Looks like there's a cop car right in the intersection as well. I'm going to have to go down and check it out. Yeah, so my potatoes that I planted, I don't know, 4 or 5 weeks ago, they're up obviously and looking good. I'm really happy with them. I've already covered these, so I'm just using this, I don't even know what it is. My wife calls it a doona, but it's a thick blanket. A pot at each end of the row. I've already got this pot here. Sit the bamboo on top and job done. They will be nice and snug and warm and well protected from the frost, and I'll come out in the morning after the frost has gone. So sunrise I think at the moment is about 20 to 7, so 8 o'clock I'll lift it all off and check the weather again for tomorrow night, see if I need to do it again. But we only get the odd frost here and there, so it's not a major imposition. And the potatoes will be nice and cosy and warm and keep growing and produce nice potatoes for us. So there you go. If you liked the video, found it useful in any way, I'd love it if you subscribed. Like the video, hit the little notification bell, so as next time I upload a video, we'll have the pleasure of meeting each other again. Any questions? I'd love to hear from them. Anything you'd like to know about growing veggies or gardening in general, let me know and I'll see what I can do. And hopefully I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers. I've got to go and catch this accident. It's not a bad one, it was just a little fender bender.